Hi, I'm Riley with Next ATM's technical support team, and today I'm going to show you how to bind your dispenser to your Hyosung ATM. It's basically a process to protect your machine from jackpotters and hackers. You would usually have to perform this procedure if you are swapping out parts on the machine or doing a software install or a full bootload. When you need to perform a CDU binding on your machine, you might get an error code like this. It's going to say 400 BC. It's an encryption failure. From here, what you're going to want to do is log into the machine. Now that you're at this screen, you're going to keep it there and you're going to open up your vault door. From then, you'll go ahead and pull your CDU out. It should roll out. Sometimes there's screws on both the corners. Just unscrew those and pull your CDU out. Now, in some cases, there's going to be a metal frame on this. You just have to unscrew it on the four corners and pop it off if so. If not, there is a little window that you should be able to see everything with. You're going to want to go ahead and find your green control board, and you're going to want to pay attention to this little screen and these dip switches. You're going to find dip switch number 4 right here, and you're going to want to flip it up. After you flip that up, there's going to be a black reset button that you're just going to press and release. The number on that screen should have changed. After that, go ahead and push dip switch 4 back down, and then press and release that black reset button one more time. If you have a 1,000 note dispenser, you're going to have a set of pins right here. To reset a CDU with pins, you may want to use a jumper, something like this, or you can use anything metal, like a screwdriver. Today I'm going to be using a jumper. We're going to jump pins 7 and 8, which are going to be these two top and bottom pins. With the ATM on, I'm going to go ahead and put the jumper on these pins, like so. With the jumper on those pins, I'm going to go ahead and press and release the black reset button, and then remove the charge. After removing the charge, I'm going to go ahead and press the black reset button one more time, and the reset process should be complete. Once your CDU has been reset, you are good to go ahead and press the device initialize button. And that should initialize your device. After that, you're good to go ahead and reprogram your machine or bring your machine back into service. And that is how you bind your CDU to your main board of your Hyosung machine. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call at our tech support line. But other than that, thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Extra strength.